Erst mit ist wirklich klar. Wie nützt darum mein Leben war. Ich spreche. Ah. Bon. Hema Guerre Canada. Ça va. So. What? That happened. So these gloves, these are Hema gloves that are like baby lobsters meant to fight with sabers. I kind of feel like they may possibly have been smushed during the transport. They kind of feel a bit awkward, but you know, maybe it's because they're new and I'm not used to them. These are made to hold a saber and whatnot because they don't have a complete guard like a basket hilt, and they don't allow for a lobster to properly hold them. So yeah, kind of needed. Where are these products from? They're from Hema, Canada. These guys are a new company. They're in Newfoundland, and the guy that laughed and said Newfie or a Newfie joke, shut up. You're not mature enough for swords. So yeah. I might have some questioning with the item itself, but the item itself is from Sparring Gov, and it went through Post Canada, which are really not good. But to all of the Canadians, my agents, that's not a big surprise. Oh, and by the way, with my testing, we can see that there's still a mark, and this is take 2, and there is bit of a visible scratch. I will leave a full of opinion of the stuff in the comments when I fully test it. So that's for the gloves. By the way, lots of rivet, this kind of plastic slash rubber slash I'm not quite sure material. This is proper hard plastic. Lots of rivets, little bow, yellow stuff for padding. Oh, it's connected. So yeah, that's for the project. It's a project by Sparring Glove, by the way. For Hema, Canada, they're resellers, and it's good that we've got some local suppliers for their service, for their client service. Just to give you an idea, I originally asked for this glove in October. They didn't have them, and I wasn't the only one. So they kept in contact with everyone. They asked for new ones to get them as soon as possible. They kept us informed constantly. One of the guys in the company kept sending us email to give us ideas of the progress. When they finally got them on the 11th of November, they sent us an email. I paid. They immediately, when they received the payment, shipped them to Post Canada to the expedited parcel. So they basically tried to the fastest yet cheapest way that won't give us some surprise cost on arrival. So yeah, they did a really good job. Then it's Post Canada that only processed the thing on the 12th. Then it went through Saint John on the 15th, arrived in Dieppe, New Brunswick the 20th, then finally in Quebec on the 23rd. So Montreal kind of expect the 20, I should have expected them the 24th, 25th, possibly a week more if I'm beyond the Ottawa reverse. So yeah, but that's Post Canada, it's not Hema. Hema, their client service is impeccable. They have nothing to be ashamed of. Quite the opposite. They should be proud of themselves. By the way, their website is quite good. As of now, their selection of material is limited, as is their stock. But let's face it, they are a new company. They're growing, so they need a chance. But let's face it, I was consulted by a friend. The product has its interest. I just hope it will fit in my saber. I will see that tonight. The quality product is in no way of their fault. It's with the producer. But you know, they're still trying to grow the variety. So am I happy with dealing with them? Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is close to the buying price of a lobster, but lobster it's the buying price, then it has to come. It might not be exact, but it's close enough. But this is the price as itself with only the in Canada shipping, so not the frontier tax and the other stuff like that. So there's that. There's a bit of inconvenience too. So yeah, will Emugger prevent me from going directly to Space, Regagné, PBT and so on? No, absolutely not. I'm still going to deal with them on several occasions. That said, will I deal with Emugger Canada again? Yes. Because there's a convenience to it, and they kind of have to grow if you want them to reach their potential. And even if not necessarily for all of your transaction, if you can deal with them, I do encourage you. It will help them grow, and we'll have a proper supplier. They're on their way there, and helping them grow will give Canada its proper Hema supplier, which is something we kind of need. Oh yeah, I forgot popularity the companies, but yeah. So yeah, the stuff seems decent. Sure, the packaging I expected a box, but it's what it is. But I think they wanted to go with the lightest possible thing. I would. So yeah, maybe something hard next. Since they speak English, if you see this, maybe something hard next time for so the stuff don't get completely compressed by post Canada bad methods, but nonetheless. So yeah, is it worth it? Yes, and deal with them, and I'll add in the comment both the site and in due time my opinion. So on this, goodbye.